Hello guys, I'm Sourish. How are you? I think you all fine. Today we learn subtraction. Friends, S-U-B, sub, T-R-A-C, track, T-I-O-N, son, subtraction. So what is subtraction? First I said that. Subtraction means taking away things. Taking away things from more things. Friends, so we see that is possible or not. You think your father give you 7 chocolates. And you share your brother 4. So how many chocolate are? We write 4 and draw lines a little bit distance on 7. 1, 2, but only one thing, not big small, same distance and same lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We cut here 4 and here also 4. Then, how many chocolates are left? Let's count. Your father gave you 7 chocolates and you share your brother 4. So, how many chocolates are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolates left. So, we write as 3. Next example. Friends, you think your father bought 5 apples from market. So we write here 5 and 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And friends, your mother saw 3 apples are rotten. So we write here 3 and 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And your mom threw away 3 apples. So we cut here 3 and here also 3. How many apples are left? So let us see. 1, 2 apples left. So we write here 2 and this is our answer. Good job! Friends, let us see another example. Friends, you think your mom gave you 6 toffees. So we write here 6 and 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you lost 2 pencils. So we write here 2 in a distance and 2 line. 1, 2. and a minus sign. Your mom gave you 6 pencils and you lost 2 pencils. How many pencils are left? Let's see. By subtraction. So we got here 2 and here also 2. Let's count how many left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left. So we write here 4. Friends, good job. So this is our answer. Friends, do you enjoy this class? Let us see another example. Think you have 5 marbles. So we write here 5 and 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you lost 1. So we write here 1 in 1 line. That is easy 1 line. So we have to write a minus sign and let's see how many marbles left by math. You lost 1. Here is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the answer 4. Wow. Good job, friends. This is our answer. Friends, that was not a real class. I was acting like a teacher. Today is Teacher's Day. It is my tribute and regards to my all teachers. I also pay respect to my all teachers. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and my father, mother and all my teachers. I am very grateful to have you as my teachers. Thank you all. Thanks a lot. Tada. Bye bye all. Friends, do you like this class? That was my Teacher's Day gift. So, do you like my video? If like, then subscribe my channel. So, bye bye. Tata. All fine.